Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get an educational discount on Descript Standard Edition. If you don't know what Descript is a software application that allows users to make and edit their audio and video in a simple way. It is like any doc application to use and navigate. Overall, Descript is a very helpful tool except for its price level. Of course, it does provide better results as compared to its price level. Script is also available for free, but there are limitations to use. You will not have access to all their features. Script provides educators and students discounts for those who are students and teachers or institutions. Now to get Descript student discount, go to Google and search for Descript for students and click on the first web result. Then click on apply now. Descript offers educational plans for $5 for a month and $60 for 1 year. Each student plan includes the same plan level features as the creator plan with a 4-hour monthly transcription rate limit. But keep in mind that the student or creator plan does not provide or offer pro plan features. It means even if you take the student plan at lowest price, there will be some limitations for you, like an overdubbing limit of 1000 words. But if you don't need a pro level feature, then you should definitely go for a student plan. And if you do want pro level features, then you will have to go for a pro plan, which is $30 per month and $288 for a year as of now. Yearly plan provides you 20% discount. Now to get a student plan activated, you must have a free Descript account and make sure that you have added your credit or debit card in billing information. After these two confirmation, you will have to fill their application. Click on fill out this application and start your application. Again, make sure that you have added your billing information and your account is associated with college email. Then add your college mail, your name, select who you are, tell them how you heard about their platform, then what is your purpose using Descript, then name of your college, website of your college, then description of your college or organization's missions, then how many people will be using this account, and final questions will not be applicable in your case if you are an individual. After filling application, submit the form. After submitting your form, you will receive a quick auto mail that your application has received and will be reviewed. Once they reviewed your application, you will receive another mail once your application is approved. Then you can tell them to upgrade your drive, or in the second option, you can create or upgrade your drive by yourself. Just give the name for your drive and add your email address. Then select the billing option, monthly or yearly. Once you are done filling everything, then click on the create team and invite members and your drive will be upgraded. Key benefits of using Descript. Descript is very handy and simple to use. Even if your plan expires, you will still have the access to your data or project in a free account. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.